Hey, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to put in some codes in the VBA editor to create macros that will allow you to run them and open different Microsoft applications. Now, I realize that if you save them down on the start bar, it's pretty simple to just go down and click on them, so even if you add buttons to your spreadsheet, it doesn't really increase your efficiency that I can see. But if you can find a use for these that increases your capabilities, then that's even better. This is more just out of interest than something that's that I imagine is actually going to save you a lot of time or a lot of work. So, if you're still interested, we'll go to the Visual Basic tab here. Insert a module. Let's do one to open the calculator app. So open calculator. Okay, so Application.ActivateMicrosoftApp. Okay, so once we put that in, Excel gives us a list, Word, PowerPoint, etc. So you can choose one from the list. Or if there's something that doesn't appear on this list, there's often a code for it. So I noticed that that the calculator doesn't appear on the list, so that's okay. The calculator app code is 0, so app equals 0. Oh, that's right. Index equals 0. So we'll run the macro and it'll open the calculator for us right there on the screen for us to use. You can do this with various other apps, so play around with it, see what you can do. Thanks for watching the video.